Blue eyes hypnotize तेरी कर दी है मैनू. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I created this नीले गगन के तले eye look. I'm just kidding. I created this electric blue eyeshadow color look from one of my favorite eye palettes, which is the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe. It has such a beautiful and diverse range of colors. So if you wanna get this look without wasting any more time, let's get started. Because the topic for the video today is the electric blue eyeshadow, so I will be using this vibrant blue color right here. So to begin with, we will be using the shade Silk Cream on the crease of my eye, which is right here, on a big fluffy brush. It's a very light, beautiful shade to cover your crease. Now I'm going to be using this second shade, which is called as Butter. This one. There's something really good about this palette that it really blends very nicely. I'll be using this shade called as Roxanne just to deposit it on the outer corner of my eye. And just blending it over on the crease, like on the lower line. Next, I will be using this a little bit darker brown shade called as Mocha, which is right here in the corner of the palette, on the same brush. And again depositing on the outer corner of the eye, trying to blend it nicely with my other brown shade. I'm just using a big fluffy brush just to blend everything nicely together. Now comes the game changer, which is to use the blue color here, which is called as Pore. Okay, so I'm just going to take it on a thin brush, dipping it into the palette, and what I'll be doing is just to give it a proper definition on the lower crease. So this time I'm not going light-handed, but with a little bit heavy hand, just so that the color deposition is done nicely. I will be using my ring finger and just pushing it down towards your lash line.
That's good.
I hope you all liked it as much as I did. If you want to see any more specific looks, please put it down on the comment section below. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on my video. And until next time, see ya, take care, bye bye.